Here we are on Explorer of the Seas.
Third day.
And we're in room 7350.
Third day.
And we got decorated for our anniversary.
Third day.
So, okay, watch out, Kenny. Okay, so they hung up some stuff.
Third day.
They put something on the mirror.
Did that.
We got a frame we get. So this is the room. So you got your like little area right here. You can sit down.
Did that.
Got a mirror to get yourself all ready.
Wow.
Got a TV for watching.
Nice.
We got a nice little bed over there.
Nice.
This will become Kenny's bed right here.
Third day.
Yeah.
Third
You'll
day.
be sleeping right next to Mommy and Papa. And then you come over here. And it looks like we got a nice little balcony.
Third day.
Not huge. Oh, sorry. Not huge. But okay.
And down there you can fuck.
And you can see the trucks down there. People getting on.
No. Right.
Right there.
You can fuck.
Mm-hmm.
The fuck.
Let's go look at the bathroom.
Fuck.
The trucks. Here's the perspective from this side. People are getting on. Yeah. So over here, let's see, what room do we got? We got lots of room for hanging up stuff. Putting suitcases away, which is good because we have a lot of suitcases. And then over here, we got a shower and a toilet and a sink with a little bit of room there. People are getting on, Kenny. I don't know if this opens. It doesn't look like it opens. So, there you go. That's our room.
For a day?
For today. I think there was a fridge somewhere, but I'm not sure. I'm not seeing it. So, oh. How about in there? Can you open that up? No. That one.
For a day?
Oh my gosh, there's a fridge. Is there stuff inside it?
No.
Let's see. Maybe there's a latch on top. Oh, there you go.
Fridge.
Oh, fridge, and it's empty.
I'm
Nice.
quick ship, wait.
Cruise ship.
That's
Alright, so maybe we can put stuff in there if we needed to. Alright, Kenny, say, see you later.
See you where?
You can get one of these now. Push. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah?
Right there.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Right here, Kenny. We're gonna, oh. I thought we were gonna ride that elevator. Oh, this elevator maybe. There we go.
Moment.
So these elevators, let's take it to the top, Kenny. Can you hit 14?
Yep.
Right there. These elevators have a touchscreen for selecting the floors. And they have the glass right here. So they give you a tour. And you can see the promenade there, Royal Promenade. You got some sculpture here. There's some like sitting areas on this side. Like that. Alright. Now press 7, Kenny.
Stop.
7. Alright, so on top they give you a list of things that are on the floors. And you can kind of see into the floors as you go down. Oh my gosh.
Seventh floor.
That's so awesome, right, Kenny?
Seventh floor.
7th floor.
Right.
Here we go.
7th floor.
Yep.
Alright.
Let's go wake up mommy.
Let's go wake up mommy. Let's watch the doors close.
Thank you.